Hi there, this is Dr. John, your physics and math professor, here to do another one in our geometric sequences and series test preparations. Here we have a number 7 plus 0.7 plus 0.07 plus 0.007 going all the way to this number over here. I'm going to help you count the zeros here. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this has 5 zeros after the decimal. All of those sevens, so that I'm assuming we have every one of these, so it's also 0.0007, all of them till here, adding them all up, which one of these fractions is this? Now this one is pretty well a straightforward understanding of fractions. First of all, you have the 7 in the front. So a 7 over 1 is going to be equal to 7. So you'll want this number here to be a 7 in the front. So we can eliminate this one, if you're doing this on a test, so it's one of the others. Now notice here you're going to have a 7 and a 7 and a 7. So this one's not going to work here because 7 over 1 is going to be 7. And then if you're adding 0.7 to that, you want the other one. I'll write this on the other side here. 7 over 10 is going to be equal to 0.7. That's the second term. 7 over 100 is going to be the third term. So you're going to add each of these. You're going to want a bunch of 7s on top of a 1. So this one here is not going to work out for us. It's going to be one of these last two. Now it's a matter of very, very carefully counting zeros and trying to figure out exactly what that is. This isn't as much a sequence and series problem as just a problem in understanding how to work with fractions. Here we have all of these 7s, all of these 7s is going to work out. Let's take a look at what this thing is going to be. This is going to be, here there's 6 7s. So this 7 over here, and it's going to be, and there's going to be how many zeros? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So if we're going to move the 0 over, we're going to do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Let's start from over here. 1, 2, 4, 5. So we're going to have 7 here, point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth 7. Notice this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the sixth 7. This is in the 6th position here. So this one here is slightly too small. Let's take a look at this one. We're going to have to take these zeros here and move it over 6. I put the commas in there to make it easier. So 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do the same thing here. This dot here, that's here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is correct again with regard to the 7. Now let's see what it is with regard to the last one. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 7s. This would be the 6th position. So this answer here would be the correct one. This is not a hard problem in theory. It's just a hard problem in practice because of trying to keep track of all the sliding over of the zeros. That's enough for this video. Let's go on to the next one and continue with our test preparation.